Hey, it's Katie with WTI. Do you want something fancy but you're on a budget? Then check out this place setting by KIRE. This is disposable tableware and it comes a 350-piece set that has enough for 50 guests. I love how beautiful this is. This gold rim is very elegant and simple, and it's also so strong. It's way stronger than your classic disposable paper plates, but still nice and lightweight. And this set is going to save you time as a hostess because it has pre-rolled silverware in the napkin. I have a party coming up in about a month that I plan on using this for, and even though we're keeping it simple and serving pizza, I still want my guests to feel like they're being taken care of. And I'm sorry, but I'm going to have to talk about these napkins. They are nice and thick and soft. They are like a linen feel napkin, but they're disposable and paper. So, like I said, we'll be having pizza, which you know is messy. So, I am confident in these napkins and being able to clean up those messes and people not having the need to go back for 10 more. Having prepackaged sets is such a great way to help you save time when you're planning a party. And I don't know why I hadn't thought of it before. And that's just my point of view.